question here is this totally going to screw me if I'm on a company phone and it's saying the company name? I don't know. It's maybe not the best thing, but at the end of the day, it's not the worst thing either, and it is what it is. Like just because it's raining outside doesn't mean we're not going to play the football game. So you got to deal with what you got to deal with. Now, that being said, if you're really getting into the realm of I'm making $500,000 or $600,000 a year, the success that's going to help you get over $1 million is in dialing down those little margins. So maybe you want to come out of pocket for a whole separate cell phone that you can completely curate how that looks if you're afraid of giving them your actual personal phone that your grandma and your friends have, right? But these are all choices that each of us have to make as individuals. If the company is like, absolutely positively, you'll be fired if you use your own phone, probably wouldn't want to use my own phone. But you're right. Yes, they're going to look at that on caller ID.
Hey, Matt.
Yo.
What's the nicest thing you've done for salespeople?
The nicest thing I've done for salespeople, I think we should do it right now. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. You're going to cover the cost. It's coming out of your pocket. Heather's going to cover all the cost for you. I want you to click the link here. I will get you the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. Things are going to be great for you. And she's picking up the tab. You're welcome. She's picking up the tab. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.